I'm going to go to mine and get my camera, and I'm going to go up to the pad.
Oh.
I did Snapchat you, but I don't know if I was going to get there before you got back or not. Huh? Are you going to go back to yours first, or are you going to go straight there?
Back to mine first.
Okay, I'm going to run back to mine quickly then. I'm going to run back to mine, I'll be about 10 minutes or so. Jeez!
Mine popped as I went through the tunnel.
Yeah, I'll be about 10 minutes or so.
Alright.
Alright, I'll see you in a minute. That's a big old truck. Are we on? Yeah, we're recorded. Right. Off to shoot some photos we go. We'll take the scenic route there as well. Because why the hell not? The scenic bumpy route is what we're going to take. Got the camera. I presume the batteries in the SD card are in it. If they're not, I will fucking cry. Should have probably checked, but it is what it is. So this bike is so like heavy. I think my time's on, but it's fine. We don't talk about that. Flat. I guess we'll never know. You know what, I might just check. Yeah, fuck it. We're gonna check to make sure that the tyres aren't flat. Nah, they're alright. All in a day's work. Ugh. Everywhere down it. It's in my eye. That was the fucking worst wheelie I've ever done. Oh, this road. Or this whole area is so scenic. But the bumps aren't. Ugh. So I can't give it some. But it's alright. We're just gonna go and find some photo spots. Probably go to my usual one. No car. Don't be in the centre of the road. Attaboy. Wow. Look at that sunset. Still, yeah, Yeah, we're still on. I've been having issues with this. Where it kept cutting out. But I don't know. It's quite a nice little village here. My speedo is way off if I'm doing 33. I suppose I'm doing 40, but okay. Oh, should have gone down there actually. Just adds a bit more scenic, doesn't it? Right, this is the really bumpy bit. Oh. Just gotta hold on for dear life. Get out of the way. I haven't been down here a while, so I don't know if I can judge where they are. Oh, there's one. Oh, I missed it. It's fine. It's alright. It's all good. Oh, this bit's been resurfaced. So peaceful. I love these country roads. Another really bumpy bit along here. Oof. Yo, is that a motorcycle friend? It is. Oh, that fucking bridge is horrible. Oh look, here's the really lovely looking corner that just, it's a right angle really. All part of the fun, mate. Let's go to the photo spot. See if we can catch. Where is it set in? Behind me. Okay. Oh. All empty for me. Oh, glass there. Don't want to go in that. Would you look at that view? Absolutely fantastic. Oh, fucking. Oh. Look at that. It's all in there. Nice. It's what we like. Oh, look at that. Sunset's beautiful. No, yeah. gonna figure out what I like. See if I can get it level. That's the point. My grid's not on. Grid display. There you go. Now I can line it up how I want it. Nice. I don't know why there's just random pictures of my wall, but pff, it works. Shit. I wanna. I don't know. Let's have a look. I think I'll bring the screen out. I need to bring it further to the left. No. Well, yeah, but you get my point, to the right. How's that looking? Much better. Oh, look how beautiful. Should we chuck in some landscape ones as well? No. Do a wheelie. Looks alright.